Introducing the Shiny Leaf Skin Pro Series. How to use a skin rejuvenating retinol serum. Cleanse your face to remove makeup and dirt. Take 2 to 3 pumps of retinol serum. Apply gently to face, neck, and chest area. Allow the serum to absorb into your skin. Put on a sunscreen or makeup if needed. Get healthy-looking skin with continued use. For best results, use the Shiny Leaf Vitamin C Serum in the morning and the Shiny Leaf Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid Serums together at night. Shiny Leaf Retinol Serum firms and plumps the skin, controls oil, reduces acne and pimples, creates new and healthier skin cells, erases fine lines and wrinkles, gives a youthful complexion. It's free from sulfates, parabens, gluten, phthalate, alcohol, fragrance. Order now and may you enjoy your best skin ever!
Shiny Leaf. Look good, love yourself.